So right now, we have 797 subscribers, which to me is just amazing that there are almost 800 people interested in my project and listening to me ramble. I think it's just astonishing. The community on YouTube is just amazing. I mean, I have talked with people all over the world. I've got 4 or 5 guys that I've met through YouTube that are fellow YouTubers that I would consider friends now. It's just amazing. You know, you can find anything out there. And then, you know, you could talk to people, like-minded people. It's great. So today is 4th of July here in the United States. So happy 4th of July to everybody. I kind of wanted to do something different. I wanted to do, to give back to the community. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. So I like to get the word spread for my channel here. So when the channel hits 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway here. The way that's going to work is comment on this video here, and what I will do is I will pick from a random generator, probably a TubeBuddy or something like that, that will pick random comments. So I've got 2 gifts, or 2 prizes, if you will, that I'm giving away. So share away. I'd love you to share with your car groups, Facebook groups, your friends, car shows, family, anybody. Just get them on here. As long as they like automotive stuff, mechanical things, just if you think they're going to be interested, let them know. I'd love to hear from them. Drop a comment in this video here, and once the channel gets to 1,000 subscribers, I'll come back to this video, and I'll use TubeBuddy to select 2 comments to give prizes away. And I think that's the fairest way to do it. That way there's no, I'm just trying to be as transparent as possible. Just do some giveaway to give back to the community that has done so much for me. So anyway, what I am giving away is, number 1, a set of 2010 and up flex fuel 6-liter injectors. These are what I have in my truck right now. They are the 51 pounds. They drop in. They are the correct height for the truck fuel rail. The only difference is these have the car plug on them, the EV6 car plug. So you have to either if your harness doesn't have that, you have to get some adapters or a jumper harness. So nice deal. Brand new, never used them. Long story short, they fell into my lap and I don't need them. So I thought I'd give back and offer them as a gift to everybody. So that's the first prize. They're real nice. I have them in my truck here. It made almost 500 at the crank. With plenty of injector left. So nice injectors. Second, couple rusty wrenches stickers. I've got a white one and a blue one. Now these are 3-inch diameter. They have a UV coating on the top. Real nice. So I got 2 of those. Somebody's gonna get 2 stickers. They look real nice. I've actually got one on the truck here, and I've got some on my other cars and everything. But anyway, so again, to be as transparent as possible, comment in this video. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you like about the channel, what you like about the project, anything you saw that you probably do differently, or I just want to hear from everybody. So drop a comment in this video here, and when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be pulling 2 names, one for the injectors, one for the stickers. So simple as that. So I just want to give back. The community's been awesome to me. So that's pretty much it. Project, I'm going to start doing some updated videos here. So it's going to be going. I got some more things I want to do to it. Sort some stuff out and keep the projects never end. Keep doing things to it. But that's pretty much the gist of it. So I hope everybody has a great 4th of July. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're giving this stuff away. I appreciate everybody watching, and I appreciate everybody's support and subscriptions. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to. And please share away, because I want to give these away to somebody, because I know somebody's really going to want those injectors, because those are nice injectors. So anyway, that's all I have. Have a great day.